Okay, this is the Nostalgia Electrics Retro Series microwave. If you are looking for a microwave that looks cool, you like the retro look, this one's very sleek and also works great. So it's a classic microwave in that capacity. Doesn't take up too much space on the counter here. We have it in a corner, and then here's where you have, again, not too many buttons, which I always love, just very user-friendly, straightforward and efficient. You can program the different things, frozen, veggies, spuds, rice, dish, bread, all these things. You also then can do a delay, clock, express cook, which is quick, and then here's your power, stop, cancel, there we go. So again, very straightforward. This microwave has been great for us and also looks super sleek on the counter. Highly recommend the Nostalgia Electric.